In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank account in QuickBooks Online using the current desktop interface. Reconciliation is the process of comparing what's in QuickBooks to what's on your bank statement, confirming that every deposit and payment is accounted for. Before you start, have your latest bank statement handy so you can reference the ending balance and ending date. Accuracy here keeps your financial reports reliable and helps you catch duplicates or missing entries. From the QuickBooks Home dashboard, click All Apps. Under Accounting, click Reconcile. This takes you to the reconciliation workspace. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Interfaces update from time to time, but the steps are the same. In the field that asks which account you want to reconcile, select the bank account you are working on. Make sure it's the correct bank and the correct sub-account if you use multiple accounts. Next, take a moment to review the beginning balance shown on screen. This number should match the beginning balance on your bank statement. If it doesn't, it usually means a past reconciliation was changed or a prior transaction was edited or deleted. It's better to pause and confirm that beginning balance now rather than fix a larger issue later. Enter the statement ending balance exactly as it appears on your bank statement. Then enter the statement ending date in the MMM/DIE format. These two fields set the target for your reconciliation and help QuickBooks calculate the difference. Click Start Reconciling. You'll now see a list of transactions. Your goal is to match what's in QuickBooks to what appears on your bank statement for that period. As you find each deposit and payment on the statement, check it off in QuickBooks. Pay attention to dates, amounts, and payees to avoid checking the wrong item. Sorting by amount or date and using the search box can speed this up. If something on your statement doesn't appear here, verify that it was entered in QuickBooks with the correct date and amount. If you see a duplicate, leave it unchecked for now so it doesn't throw off the difference. As you check items, watch the difference at the top of the screen. Keep going until the difference shows 0.00. That 0 means everything in QuickBooks matches your bank statement for this period. When the difference is 0.0, click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. You'll get a confirmation, and your books for that period are locked in. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.